Hey guys, Mr. Light is back with Kung Fu Panda 2! Let us proceed to go and fight the wolves in their own hideouts! Yep, time to go and wipe out the wolves, even though we technically will not wipe them out entirely. You'll understand what I mean. Here's gonna be a big battle ahead of us. Oh, great.
I thought we already defeated all these guys.
Oh, you have no idea how many wolves there are in the forest.
More than a lot?
Way more.
Yeah, that's gonna be a problem.
Goodness gracious. Ho, check out that huge pile of fireworks over there.
What?
Let's destroy it so the wolves can't use it.
I've gotta ask, why are there fireworks at the most obvious position?
Torches! Thanks, fellas. I can use these.
Right. Yeah, the fire disappeared. Hang on, I need power. There we go, got the match. Let's line us up some fireworks.
Explosives.
And knockout. Ow, that hurts. Grab that one. And let's light them up.
Gunpowder here to destroy everything else.
Oh, really? Heck, why not? I feel like blowing up a wolf camp. Is that all of it destroyed? And the wolf retreats. What an idiot.
Okay, now there's one last wolf hideout. Let me give you a lift.
Okay.
You know, if pandas were meant to fly, we'd have wings. Really big wings.
Croc'd can actually carry the panda to the other side of wherever they go. Croc'd must be really strong to do that. That's kind of weird. So here we are.
Hey, look out! It's that panda!
I can handle these guys.
I see you, Jade Statue. Right, okay. Now it's gonna get interesting. When I turn red... Whoa! Okay, didn't turn red. Come on! Can't defend that against me. Just come on. Okay, you can stop doing it. There we go. Cannonball! Yep, reflects the cannonball. You again!
You? Get that panda! Open fire! Fire!
So this is basically the second match against this flipping guy here. Okay, can't do that, so just wait for him to come. Oh boy! Yeah, not quite what I expected. Get back! Yo, dude! Wanna fire one of those, you know, cannonballs and lose on you? Mess that up. Come on. Oh, now you're gonna get it. Darn it, didn't do much, but we got somewhere. Okay, didn't do that right. Oh boy. There we go. Got him again. Come on, mister. Right, so apparently I can't get Acupunch to work on him. Okay, he's defended again. Here he comes. There was a bit of a bug there. It didn't glitch him. So it didn't spin him out of control. Okay, this is going to be a bit of a long fight. He tripped. Okay, whatever. Come on, Wolfie! Acupunch apparently doesn't work on this guy. So we just have to rely on our power. Got you again! Oh, he got me. Whoa, wow, I think I got him. Ah. Okay, come on lunge at me if you can. Got you again. You're almost defeated, mate. Glitched again. Okay, he defended with that. Ow, you flipping shield basher. Well, I got him as he was spinning, but... Oh, yeah, good work.
Okay, now time for you to answer to the Kung Fu Council.
No! Please! I have to... What's that?
Oh, what? No, wait, where?
Ha! You fell for the same trick! Again! What a big dumb kung fu you are!
Wow! Poe, you fell for the same trick?
You fell for his trick again?
Or did I? Now we can follow him to the Temple of Clear Water.
Oh, I see what you did. You tricked him by letting him trick you. Very tricky. Hey, Poe, he's headed for the shrine where Master Croc is meditating.
How did you know that just by standing there? That was a bit weird, but I'll go along with it. So, let's go wallop, as it says, some wolves. And the guy's retreating, and we're gonna pursue him. Come back here, Wolfie! By the way, his name isn't Wolfie. I just call him that as a kind of an insult. Because this guy just really is annoying with that shield of his. Kung Fu Panda. Here we are, back at the meditating pool.
What's he doing? Sneaking around.
He's not very good at it. Master Croc must know he's there.
So why isn't he moving?
It happens.
Did he just...
I know where the secret entrance to the temple is. It's here, in the waters of this very shrine.
Oh, come on!
Thank you,
Really?
Master Croc, for your masterful meditation.
Oh my, okay. Let's go to the temple bridge. So it was here, at the very place he was meditating, was the location of the temple where the wolves are. Wow. Uh-oh, wolves alert!
Yeah, and it's filled with wolves.
And there's a Jade statue on the roof.
You're going down. Let's get this started. Ah! Ready? Ready to rumble?
Really? Right, so we got rid of that one. Now let's go beat up some wolves, just for the sake of it, because that's what I do. Into the water with you. And you. And you. All of them into the water. That's actually a good thing. Means I don't need to deal with the pests that they are.
Oh my. They have wrecked the temple.
They sure never learned to clean up after themselves. Ah, I'm so tired of these guys. Now the wolves have barricaded themselves inside. The only way in is through the top floor. I'm gonna need Monkey's help for this.
And at that exact moment! Oh, come on! You say you need Monkey's help, and he just appears out of nowhere. That was about as random as you can get.
You are entering the Hall of Quiet Contemplation. It is one of the most beautiful and serene places in the temple.
Yeah, well, not anymore.
You! Again?
Sorry!
I need him to show me where the real treasure is.
You don't get it, do you? The only treasure here is the kind you find in your heart and in your soul.
What kind of treasure is that?
The very best kind. Besides, I just tricked you into coming here so we can follow you.
No treat, only a trick. That makes me so mad. Attack!
This is it! It's time to take out this wolf leader once and for all! Knock about the plane! Oh my flip, that lag! Jeez! Okay, that's that sorted. Nope, he's not dead yet. Is he dead now? Oh my flip, there's another one. Take that, wolf boy. Jeez, the lag in this temple. Here he comes. And he's angry. I already got a bit of him damage. That's quite a... Oh, jeez. Yeah, didn't work very well. But now we gotta deal with more wolves.
Hey man, don't beat yourself up. I'll do it for you.
Okay, that's him knocked out. Owie! Wait, you came back down? Wait, no you didn't.
Really? Did anyone else see that?
You were just a carbon copy of the leader. What? The leader's got his own troops that have identical abilities to him. Are you kidding me? Okay, got him again. Jeez, come off it with this lag. Okay, you didn't time that right.
Cool, so not cool.
Yeah, he knocks you back like that. Ah, that didn't work. That didn't work. He's going back up again. Alright, wolfies, die. Okay, these guys are very similar to the boss.
Who wants to see that again?
Oh, my battery's low. Go figure.
Awesome.
Darn you! Jeez!
That's all you got?
Is he dead yet? Oh no, he's not dead. Now he's dead.
This isn't going well. I have, somewhere to be.
Not this time, Furface.
Wait, what? He just retreated? Are you serious? He just ran? Okay. What?
Okay, finally. For the last time, you'll answer for your crimes to the Kung Fu Council!
Look, I'm sorry. What's that?
What?
Are you joking? Croc did the finishing move for us.
Master C in the pond? Awesome!
Okay. Speak with Master Croc. Hang on a mo. Before I speak to Master Croc, there's something I need to do. Then go back out again. I'm on the roof. And grab this. That's what I wanted. Now let's go see what Master Croc has to say. I now have all the Jade Statues. Wait, what am I doing? Am I going the right way? I just thought to myself, hang on. Hang on, is this right? Nope! I went the wrong way! Oops! I just remembered he's inside the bloomin' temple! I am such an idiot! Alright, Poe, come on! Let's go speak to Master Croc. Let's go into the temple and speak to him. I stupidly forgot he's now inside the temple.
Thank you, good Poe, for finding all the Jade Statuettes. What is this? A note?
It's instructions for the wolves to trash the temple. And it's signed with some symbol?
I don't know that symbol, but it appears to be very ancient. The wolf leader could not have found this temple on his own.
Yeah, this stinks like last week's noodles. I'll have to get to the bottom of this.
So apparently somebody was instructing the wolves to attack. So it seems we have a mastermind somewhere in this game. So yeah, that's gonna be weird. Anyway guys, we are now done with Master Croc. Next episode, we move on to Master Shifu, and I will see you guys next video. See you guys then.